Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but without further ado, let's get into today's video. I am going to be reviewing the Bobbi Brown Soothing Cleansing Oil. I have my travel sample size here. I have mentioned in a few videos before that I always buy the travel size or the sample size so I can see if I like it. Sorry, it's been a while. So I can see if I like the oil or whatever product that I'm using, and then once I've made up my mind, I buy the bigger size. So for this, I will tell you guys at the end after I've shared everything about this oil. On the front, it says it has jasmine flower, white water lily, and goji berry extract. The thing about this cleansing oil, it is very soothing, it's very calming, it's very gentle. Every time I use this oil, I feel like I'm having an experience. The smell of it is very luxury, it's very calm. I think that's like the floral scent. I really like how it feels. I love the experience of this oil. Every time I use this oil, it's just like, ooh, like I don't know how to explain it. It's just so lovely, and it reminds it. I would say it's like a luxury cleansing oil. However, this oil, I only use it when I don't wear makeup. So let's say, for example, I just wanted to wash my face in the evening and I wanted to use a cleansing oil to maybe just get the dirt off my skin, I would use this. If I was wearing a full day of makeup, heavy makeup, eyelashes, eyeliner, mascara, and everything like that, I wouldn't use this. Why? Because I feel like it doesn't cleanse, or it doesn't like break down the makeup as well as some of my other cleansing oils and cleansing balms. It's a really nice experience. It is very soft, it's very soothing. Every time I use it, I do feel good. I love the scent, but I just feel like it doesn't cleanse, or it doesn't break down makeup as good as I want it to. I always feel like there's still some residue. No, I don't know how to explain it. Not residue, but there's always just left over. I know there are some cleansing oils that I use that as soon as I rub them on my face and I get all in there, and then I put water to emulsify it, it kind of like I don't have to worry about. I sometimes I don't even have to use like another cleanser, I could just go straight to bed like that. But with this, I always feel like I have to use another cleanser. I have to do a bit more to get my skin to be super clean. But having said that, I love the fragrance. I love the way it smells. It smells absolutely wonderful. The texture of this, as you can see, I have used it quite a bit. There's only like a little bit in there left. But let's just do a quick texture shot. As you can see, it's very liquid, very light, very soothing. So would I buy this again? I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe if I'm going on like holiday and I need just a quick travel size cleanser like this, I might buy it. But for now, I feel like there are other cleansers out there that would do the job that I really need it to do. This I would use just for a normal day where I'm not wearing a ton of makeup and I just want to have like a nice get unready with me type of experience in my bathroom, with Harper's Bazaar or Vogue or something like that, and talk to myself and do a bit of self-care routine. That's when I would use this. But if I'm really trying to like get down deep into my skin and cleanse and make sure that everything's out, I don't think it's the right one. But that's just me. I don't know if anybody else has used it and anybody else feels the same way. But in terms of like texture, in terms of fragrance, in terms of experience, I absolutely love it. Now, if you're thinking about getting it, I would say give it a go. It doesn't do what other like cleansing balms and cleansing oils do, and I have used quite a few, but it is a great experience. It does feel like luxury. It does feel nice. It does feel great, but I'm just not sure it's the right cleansing oil for me or for my skin. Another thing to point out is that it is not too heavy. It doesn't dry out my skin. My skin never feels dry with it. My skin always feels hydrated and moisturized after I do use it. And the price point, it is a bit pricey. I think the full size is about 35 to 40 pounds, which is quite a lot, but you know what, skincare these days is very expensive anyway, so I guess you could say that's about average. So yeah, I hope that helps if you are trying to make a decision about buying it. If you are, or if you use it already, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.